Okay, hello, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on your time frame. I'm back again, Mohozi Dennis Kafaras, Learn Runyankore series. I am back again, the son of a lion. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the subscribe button in case it is located on this very location. In case you have not yet, please subscribe. Don't forget to go to Google Play Store. We have some good things for you. Go to Google Play Store, type in Mohozi Dennis. You'll enjoy lots of interesting stuff. Very beautiful and educative apps. Then you can send us a message on our WhatsApp. We have 2 WhatsApp groups. Then you can send us an email, elias.obsit@gmail.com, or you can visit our website www.afritechinof.blogspot.com. And I am Mohozi Dennis. I'm an ICT support officer at Afritech Innovation Solutions, and that's what I am bringing to you. What the theme of the company is: affordable ICT for you. Actually, I want to show you something because it's wrong when I've not shared my company logo with you. Yeah, actually, we aim at making affordable ICT. I'm actually looking for this logo and I want to share it with you. And this is our company logo. So we aim at making ICT affordable for you. I think you can just see this affordable ICT. Yeah, affordable ICT. And I guess you will find we are one of the most affordable IT companies. And in case you want to learn how to make these lessons like the way we do, please also contact us. We can train you how to make YouTube videos. If you are a teacher, if you are another professional but you are interested in teaching what you do to the current generation, we are very available for you, and you can book with us. We teach you how to teach. That's something very important. So we look at other applications, other expressions. Nanye. This nanye means and me, or and I. So if I say nanye ninyenda kurya, and me, I want to eat. And me, I want to eat. Ninyenda kurya. That means I want to eat. So if you say nanye, you say and me, and I. It is there. Harumu omunju, harumu muntu, in which there is. So this thing omuntu, harimu omunju, harumu muntu, there is a person in the house. Nikwo, it is. Obwo, then or when. Nkajireta obwo, I brought it then. When you're greeting, these old guys always greet us kije. What they mean is welcome, man. If you are not serious when you're greeting an old Runyankore, You have to be very careful, man. And if it's a Muchiga, you have to put on a jacket, because most of those guys will do, as he's greeting you, is hitting your back with a slap. Kish, 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 vuhor, vuhor, vuhor. Meaning, welcome, 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 welcome. Are you well? Are you well? Are you well? I don't know how they used to greet like that. I think me, I'm now 31. I've never greeted this thing. Me, I say, welcome, twakwachira. Twakushemererwa. We are so happy for you. Me, I don't greet this kije hor. Hakuna. I don't. Now, hona, even, yet, hona mazma. Hona mazma. Okija tuanda baho. That means, truly, even you came and didn't see me. Hona mazma. Esente zanji wanga kuzireta. That means, truly, even you refuse to bring my money. Ninyetwa. They call me. Oh, my name is Ninyetwa Muhozi Dennis. That means other people call you this, and that is your name. Exactly. So one, if you are introducing yourself, waba no ye yanjura. You get it? Waba no ye yanjura. You know, this word comes from okwe yanjura. Okwe yanjura. You know, I want something that I show you. Okwe yanjura. This one. Okwe yanjura means to introduce yourself. So, if I say waba no ye yanjura, that means when you are introducing yourself. So you can say my name is Nambeno, and now Tikwo, isn't it? Is it now so? Turiyo, we are there. Turiyo, murumutokwe, turiyo. It is also a reply. Muntu nakubuza murumuta, murumutokwe, murumuta okwe. That means, how are you there? Muri muta, how are you? Okwe, there. Then you say tudio, we are there. Murumutokwe, you say tudio. That's a reply. This studio is a reply for murumutokwe. Then you go to Bambe. Bambe, dear me, please. Bambe, otansigaho. Please don't leave me. That is Bambe. Then we have separate personal pronouns. When written separately from the verb, the personal pronouns for the Muba class take the following forms: nyowe, I, iwe, you, we. Don't say we, it is we. We, he or she. We arinkahi. Where is she? Then we have plural of I is itwe, which means we. Itwe abashija, we the men. Imwe, you You in plural. Wo, that is they. Exactly. We are going to see how they apply to make sentences in the coming. Then we have, for the rest of the noun classes, O is added to the subject prefix to form this pronoun. So we have cho. That is for chi vi. You get it? Cho. Kwo. Ekitabo kyo. Ebitabo byo. So we have these words kwo, wo, ryo, wo, rwo, ko, yo. Go, yo, zo, bro, then zo. We have here, I have pride. However, the separate pronouns in -o are not very much used by themselves. The above given forms of separate pronouns combine with na to translate and I also with me. Thus we have nanye. Nanye. You add na, then after na you see nanye. Aye. And if there are many, you say ni twe and we, ni we and you, ni mwe and you. This one is and them. Nacho and he or she. Nabo. Move back class. Nako. Nabyo. Nabwo. Nago. Naryo. Nago. Nagwo. Narwo. Nako. Nayo. Nazo. Nabwo. Nazo. Nayo. Nago. Nago. Nabyo. So we are going to see where they applied in the sentences. Akagenda nanye. He went with me. You get it? Akagenda nanye. He went with me. Niwe noyenda kurya. Niwe. Do you? Niwe. Noyenda also want. Nabo nibaza omutawuni. Nabo is they. Nabo baza. That is have gone. To town, omutawuni. We have the only stroke alone suffix. Because we saw the one which means horo, that now we sing at the alone. It is used to describe a situation in which one did something alone or was simply alone. To describe this situation, the suffix nka is inserted to the separate pronouns. though it is slightly irregular in the mu-ba class. The suffix nka is added to the personal pronouns to appear thus. We have nye, that means I. So nyenka, I alone. We have twe, this twe means we. So if you put nka, twenka, itwe twenka. We, nka, alone, in plural. No, that is in singular. Mwe, imwe, that is you in plural. Mwenka. We, nka, he or she. Wo is they in plural. Now, for the rest of the noun classes, it is regular. Nka agrees with the noun by suffixing it to the separate pronouns. Hence, chonka only. Nomangu dizi enswa. Enswa zatandika kutahum, that's why I switched off. Kwonka only. Can say okushoma kwonka. He only studying. Wonka. Boo. Okay, we shall see. These word classes. Bio. Bionka. Gwonka. Yonka. Omutu gwonka. Omutu kumwe gwonka. Emiti kumi yonka. Rwonka. Then we have konka. Now we got sentences. Nkitenjoka nyenka. That means I killed a snake alone. Bagenda bonka. They have gone alone. Inevitable byonka. He has books only. Mukariembuzi ibiri zonka. You ate 2 goats only. Ente nizirya zonka. Cows are grazing alone. Okalya omugati gwawe wenka. You ate your bread alone. Nobaasa kukiriza edomora wenka. Can you carry the jerrycan alone? Otagenda wenka omu town. Don't go alone in the town. Yampereza obutunda buna bwonka. He has given me 4 passion fruits only. Now, you can make as many sentences as you feel like. Me, I've sampled you with ibiri, ishatu, ina, itano, mukaga, mushanju, munana, mwenda. So you can consider these suffixes. Then you also come here to these the pronouns, separate personal pronouns, and you make many sentences based on what you have, on how you have understood. Now let's go to the demonstratives. There are 3 forms of demonstratives commonly used. We have this, we have that, then we have that. We have this, that means near at hand, and the exact position is known. We have that, near at hand, and the exact position is known. This is, referential. It is slightly far at hand. slightly far, and the exact position is known. Then we have that, far away of position, more vaguely known. If you find that what you're talking about is far away and you don't know its position, use that. So I will take you through omuntu ogu, this person, omuntu ogu, that person, meaning he's there and you know where he is. Then omuntu oriya, you don't actually know where omuntu oriya rukuri, you don't know where he is. Abantu aba, these people, actually this one is aba is called these. Abantu abo, that is those. Abantu bariya, still it means those. Sorry. Then we have ekitabo eki, this book. Ekitabo ekyo, that book. Ekitabo kiriya, ebitabo ebi, ebyo, those books. So this one, ebitabo ebi, these. Then this one is those. Of course, you know that. Okutu, oku, this ear. Okutoko, that ear. Okutukuriya, that ear. Omuntu ogwo nomumanya. This means, do you know this person? Omuntu ogwo nomumanya. Omuntu ogwo noha. Who is that person? Who is that person? Omuntu ogwo noha. Omuntu oriya naza nkahi. Where is that person going? You can see I've put colors so that you see what each word means. Abantu aba baruga nkahi. Where have, that is nkahi. These aba, people, abantu, come from baruka. Abantu abo bakire. Welcome those people. Bakire. Bachire. No, this is bakire. Because if I put single I, that is bachire. Abantu abo bachire. Meaning, those people should get healed. So when you say abantu abo bakire, welcome those people. You say abantu abo bakire, let those people get healed. Abantu bariya no bareba. Do you see those people? So we move to the next. Actually, this is the best way we have these sentences were arranged, so you can practice how to read them, and you will have the best. We have amatwago, omuti ogu, emiti eji, emiti eji eyine amababi mingi, obusyo obu, amasyo aga nimarungi, erisho eri rifire, meaning this eye is dead, is spoiled. we have amisho, we have orushozi, oru. Amisho agana genyina, meaning these eyes are for the calf. Enshozi ezi. Akajiiko aka, obujiiko obu. Ente eji, ente ezi, meaning these cows. Demonstratives of place. Demonstratives can also be applied to place, class, her. To translate here and there, the demonstrative is made to agree with the word ahantu, a place. Here, near. Here means near. Here is applied to something that is near. You see, like aha. Aha ni harungi. Here is good. There, just over there. Aho homere. Over there is dry. There, far, far away. Hariya, hariya ni hari. There is far. So that is when you're talking about the place. You are referring to the place and you want to mean which is near, which is slightly near, but you don't know it, then slightly far. So before we go to the near future tense, I think we can end our lesson from here. We shall meet next time. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Just go and hit this subscribe button. Tap and you see how you will enjoy things. Wish you the best of luck in all that you're doing.